Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am sharing the KPI reviews with you. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from here, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to this question: is KPI legit or scam? If you have ever experienced any fraud over this website, then watch the video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Now, coming back to the website, KPI is an online portal that is selling a random collection of essential products. As you can see right here, there are different type of products at a very reasonable cost, and the interface of the website is quite user friendly. Apart from that, we must check the payment structure of the website. So let us go a little down. So this website accept payment via PayPal, Visa cards and Mastercards. Apart from that, we must check the shipping policy of the website. So this is the page where you can find the shipping details. So they take around 48 hours to ship your product, and the product will be at your doorsteps in next 10 to 20 days. Now before going any further, I would request you all to like this video, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this will help us to grow more and provide such revealing videos for you. Now let us discuss some important point to decide whether the website is legit or scam. Guys, the website has a very genuine HTTPS connection, which is a great sign. Coming to the age of the website, it was registered on 30th March 2020, which means it is just 129 days old. This is a bad sign. Now let us check the About Us page of the website. Here you can see the About Us page of the website, and the content seems quite copied. Apart from that, we must check the Contact Us details of the website. So they are providing an email service, and the good thing is that the email service address is matching the domain name. Apart from that, we must check the return policies of the website. So let us have a look on the return policy. So guys, they give around 45 days of return policy. If you are not satisfied with the product, you can return it to them within 45 days. And here are some details about the refund process. Guys, if you have any experience with the return and refund process of this website, please comment in the section below. Apart from that, the social media presence of the website is quite good. It is available on different social media handles, although the account do not have much followers. Now let us check the customer review on the website. So there are no customer review on the website, and we also fail to find any customer review for this website or its product on the internet. Talking about the content quality of the website is providing genuine content on the product description, but the images seems to be copied. Now, providing the final verdict, I will not recommend this site to you, as there are several drawbacks such as fresh domain registration, lack of customer review, promotional post, and low traffic. This is a potentially legit site, but I request you to not purchase anything from it and wait until it clears all its drawback. As I also mentioned in the starting of the video, that I will let you know the way of getting your money back from the site. So you can get your money back from the site by checking our links in the description. Do comment your thought about this video. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you for watching this video.